Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the weekly update video. I'm shooting this on a Monday as we were very busy on Friday with preparations for the open evening. Alhamdulillah, the open evening went really well and we had a packed main hall and we had lots of people also apply. I just want to say as well, if you know anybody who would like to apply for their daughter for Year 7 September 2023 and they didn't come to the open day, they can still apply through sending a message to the office. We can give them an application form. The entrance exam for this cohort will be on Friday the 11th of November as well, inshallah. Moving on, actually just about last week as well. So the house winners last week were Malcolm. So they received the most house points than any other group. So well done, Malcolm. And the words of the week last week were unanimous, vaccine, and voracious. So inshallah, your daughter should know what they mean. Moving on to this week, so a couple of things happening. So tomorrow on Tuesday, we have somebody coming into school to deliver a workshop to Year 11 students. The workshop is all about building positive, healthy relationships, also about how to communicate more effectively. And we hope that this will be a monthly thing for the next few months for the Year 11s, inshallah, in a preparation for them before they leave us at the end of Year 11. Then on Thursday afternoon, we have Sheikh Van El coming back. So last year he ran a series of monthly sessions where he delivered his prayer management course. So we'll be carrying on, inshallah. The timings will be in the afternoon, but if you students should just bring in their books as normal, because we will be doing it in two groups. So if they bring their books as normal, and then we will just tell them on the day what time their session is with him, inshallah. So on Friday is Wear It Pink Day, which is raising awareness for breast cancer. We will be taking part as we always do. We are encouraging students to come in with a pink hijab and they will pay £1 for that, and that donation will go straight towards the charity. We also hope to have some donuts, pink donuts for sale in the tuck shop. Again, all the money will go towards charity. So Friday also is the end of the half term. I hope everybody has a really good half-term break, and I hope to see you back, inshallah, on Monday the 31st of October. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.